Okay, today here we are showing something about the defect from the e-bag. Now you see, here, this is the dashboard. You can see all the errors from the dashboard. Now you can see the speed is 29. Let's try again. You cannot see the speed. It's working, but you cannot see the speed just because this cable is wrong. This cable is already disconnected. Let's put it back. We put this back. Okay, now everything's okay. Look. Everything's okay now. Okay, all you have to do is just fix the connectors. There are so many connectors. That's why if some connector cannot connect very well, it can give the trouble. Okay, let's try other things. Now we remove the yellow cable from here, yellow one. Let's see what will happen. You see? He pushed the throttle. Nothing happened here. It cannot work. Oh, it can show you the error 7. Error 7 means problem coming from the motor. The motor cannot move. Look, motor cannot move because the yellow wire is not connected. Okay, cannot work. Okay, now he needs to pedal it to fix the problem. Our controller has a good function. If just one wire is not connected, it can be automatically fixed. Okay, he must reverse the wheel, and then go forward, and the problem can be fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. So it's working now. It's working, but the cable, the yellow cable, still not connected. But already the problem can fixed. You see, even it's working, but the error code 7 is still here. It can show the controller is damaged. The motor is not working. Motor is faulty, and 07 error still here. Okay, we must connect the yellow wire. Okay, yellow wire is inside. Okay, you see, the error is still here. Okay, now we need to fix the 07 issue. Okay, now when he put the cable inside, he needs to reverse. He needs to reverse the wheel, backward, one round, and then the problem is fixed. Okay, let's see the error code. 我看一下那个 error code is gone. It's gone. So it's working. Okay, sometimes if the controller and the dashboard are not connected, or something wrong with the connectors, it can also give the trouble. Now you see, we remove the cable from here. This cable from here, the yellow wire from here, not from here. Just now it's here, now it's this one. Let's see what happens. Cannot work. Look, when you push the throttle, okay, it can show you the error 10. It means connection problem. Connection means something wrong between the controller and the dashboard or the throttle. In this way, you have to make sure the cable is good. Okay, let's put it inside. 也得往回转一下啊。前面那一个没。Okay, 行。Now you see, it's working. So you must make. So when you have the error code, you must make sure the connector is working well. It's connected very well. If something cut or there's a problem inside, it cannot work. You must fix here this part. It's important. 好，然后短路一下试试。Now we are do something wrong. we just connect. Look, we just connect the red and the black wire here. If we do like this, it means like the controller. Oh, 是电机问题是吧 ？Okay, we try to make something wrong in the motor. If the motor cable, black and red cable are connected like this. This is the metal, right? Okay, it's connected like this. It can also not working. Look, it's not working. 然后 it can show the E10. E10 means the motor is not working or the connection between the motor controller and the dashboard anywhere is not working. So you need to check the connectors. Okay, in a word, no matter what happened, you need to check here. Okay, sometimes the users say when they push the throttle, the back cannot work, but the pedal can work. See, the pedal can work, but the throttle cannot work. Okay, that's easy. That's because here is not working. Look, this one is cut or the connector got a problem. You have to change this one, or you need to come here to check this. 把刚才先接在一起 this wire, because this wire is not connected or something wrong with the cable, so it cannot work. Now it's okay. See? 你把它去掉，把它拔掉。Okay, now let's try again. Cannot work because here the cable got a problem. Sometimes when you press the brake, there's no signal. Look, no signal. And here you press here, still no signal. That's because the cable, this cable got a problem, or this one. I mean the brake cable got a problem. Or you check here. Look, it's already disconnected. You must connect. 你把它连上。There are two cables coming from each hand lever. You must make sure it's connected. Or, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it's working. Okay. This sign means the brake is working. Good.